In this video, I show you how to fix unable to load camera roll problem on Messenger. For fixing this problem, first of all, check that your Messenger is up to date or not. For checking Messenger update, go to Play Store, search Messenger, click on Messenger, update Messenger if available any update version. Now go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now click on Search for Messenger, click on Messenger, force stop, then OK. Now click on Storage and Cache, clear cache, then clear storage, then delete. Now click on permission, allow all permission, camera permission, photos and videos permission, music and audio permission, microphone permission. Now open Messenger app, then log into your account, continue, click on not now, not now. Now message someone. Now click on image icon. Now you can see that Messenger unable camera roll problem fix. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.